Now, after Governor McCrory signed that bathroom bill into law, North Carolina saw big events leave the state in protest, just like what's happening now in Georgia over its new voting law. Right now in North Carolina, a law to require an ID to vote is going before a judge. CBS 17's Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh with more on what's at stake and how this could impact all of us. Michael.
And the requirement that you show an ID to vote is something most voters said that they wanted. But civil rights groups sued Republicans, saying the law they passed discriminates against minorities who tend to vote Democratic. Elizabeth Holmes says her son Jabari cherishes his right to vote. He has cerebral palsy, but still follows the news and looks forward to elections.
It's his only way of voicing his opinion.
Holmes was the first witness to testify Monday in a trial over the state's voter ID law. She says she struggled to get Jabari a photo ID. In 2018, voters decided to amend the state constitution to require a photo ID to vote. Soon after, Republicans in the General Assembly passed a law determining what IDs would count. That law has been on hold while lawsuits like this one play out.
This case is, of course, about intentional racial discrimination.
Attorney Allison Riggs says experts will show black voters are more likely to lack an ID that's allowed than white voters. She pointed to a previous election law judges struck down for targeting black voters and said there's a mountain of circumstantial evidence about this latest law.
Plaintiffs don't need smoking gun evidence. That almost never exists anymore.
David Thompson is representing Republican lawmakers. He says they got input from Democrats and made several changes they wanted to try to make it easier for people to get an ID.
A racially motivated legislature would not have done any of these things.
He said despite the state's history of racial discrimination, that doesn't mean the most recent law discriminates too.
The plaintiffs will fail in their effort to try to persuade this court that SB 824 was a weaponized voter ID law.
This trial could last for 2 weeks, and there's a separate case that's also moving through the federal court system, so it's unclear when all of this is going to get resolved and if it's going to be resolved in time for the next election. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.